Hi guys, welcome to the Zip fuel filter installation video. In this video, we will show you how to install the new Zip fuel filter in your car through a step-by-step process. In order to install the fuel filter, first you will require the following supplies: gloves, safety glasses, cleaning cloth, Zip fuel filter, car's owner manual, screwdriver, wrench, a drain pan, and other tools as needed based on the owner manual. Before opening the box, check the name of the car model on the packaging to ensure the filter you are using is meant for your car. Turn the ignition off and wait for 10 to 15 minutes before opening the hood, as the car internals might be hot. Open the hood of the car by pressing the hood release button, which is usually located below the steering wheel or under the door of the driver's seat. Make sure that you are wearing gloves and safety glasses before touching any car internals. Before changing the fuel filter, it is recommended to remove the relay or the fuse of the fuel pump to relieve the fuel pressure. In this particular model, we will be removing the fuse. The fuse and relay box is generally located next to the engine under the hood. However, some cars have it under the steering wheel as well. Check the owner's manual for the location. In this particular model, the fuse box is located under the hood on the right side of the engine in a plastic box. Remove the plastic cover and take out clip from the cover. Next, remove the fuse for the fuel pump using the clip. Refer to the car's owner manual for identifying the fuse for the fuel pump. Once the fuel pump fuse is disconnected, try to start the vehicle. The car won't start and the engine will stall. Try to start the car a few more times to relieve the fuel pressure. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Make sure it isn't touching anything metal and set it aside. Locate the fuel filter. The fuel filter is generally located under the hood or under your car. Please check the owner's manual. In this particular model, the fuel filter is located under the car. There are different ways in which you can access the underbody of the car. We are going to use an elevator for the car for clearer demonstration of the process. But you can use ramps as well. Park your car between the elevator. Make sure all the supporters are properly placed under the car before pressing the elevator button. Once secured, press the elevator button to lift the car up. The fuel filter in this particular model is located near the rear axle of the car. Place the drain pan below the filter, as the fuel will flow at an angle into the pan, so make sure you have covered enough space below the filter. The fuel filter is connected to outlet and inlet pipe. The outlet pipe flows from the engine towards the fuel filter. Unlock the outlet pipe clamp using a screwdriver. Next, loosen the outlet pipe using your hand by gently twisting and turning it. Do this slowly and cautiously, as fuel might flow out of the pipe. Wait till the fuel flows out of the outlet pipe completely into the drain pan. Next, let's start by removing the inlet pipe into the fuel filter. The inlet pipe flows from the fuel pump to the fuel filter. In this particular car, the inlet pipe flows from the fuel filter towards the rear of the car. Unlock the inlet pipe filter clamp using a screwdriver. Next, loosen the inlet pipe using your hand by gently twisting and turning it. Do this slowly and cautiously, as fuel might flow out of the pipe. Wait till the fuel flows out of the inlet pipe completely into the drain pan. Next, remove the fuel filter from the housing by pressing the clamp on the housing. Once the filter is out, turn the filter upright and drain the excessive fuel from the filter into the pan. Now open the box and take the Zip fuel filter from it. Here, you can see how dirty your old fuel filter has become due to impurities it has absorbed. Now, clean the fuel filter housing using a cloth. Make sure the side marked in faces the pipe that goes towards the fuel filter, and the side marked out faces the pipe towards the engine. Secure the filter tightly with the clamp inside the housing. Attach the inlet pipe to the fuel filter. Make sure you push the inlet pipe all the way down. Use a screwdriver if needed to secure the clamp. Attach the out pipe to the filter. Make sure you push the out pipe all the way down. Use a screwdriver if needed to secure the clamp. Make sure all the connections are tight and secure. Lower the car from the elevator or the ramps. Reopen the hood of the car. Next, put the fuse for the fuel pump back in the fuse box with the help of the clip and close the fuse box. Reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Next, get back in the car. Do not start the car completely. Just turn on and off the ignition for 3-4 times so that the fuel pump forces the fuel into the fuel filter. Now try to start the car. It is normal if the car doesn't start on the first go. Crank it and the car will start. Keep the car on and check the fuel filter under the hood. Make sure there are no leaks of any kind. Close the car hood and you are good to go. You have successfully installed the ZIP fuel filter in your car. For more information, you can reach out to us on our website, WhatsApp, mail and other social handles.